Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and you may notice the background behind me is a little different because I am traveling right now. Actionable Insights is opening 2 new chapters this week, one in Arizona and one in Colorado. So we are very excited about it, but that doesn't stop me from producing our weekly content that we put out for you guys. So this week, for Hotkey Highlights, I'd like to talk about the F key and the Spacebar key. I have an Xactimate 28 estimate open right now, and if I hit the F key, you'll see that it brings up a roof. Of note, I am down in the second level of an estimate so that I could build this roof here. And after I've pushed the F key in order to bring up the roof, I can actually hit the spacebar key to cycle through the different types of roof that are provided with an Xactimate to find the exact one that I'm looking for, and then I can drop from it. And I can bring up another roof and cycle through them again. So this will bring your roof sketching skills, make them a little bit faster as you search for the various roofs rather than having to click through each time or get the drop-down menu to pull up this roof and then a different type of roof. You can just keep your hands on the keyboard and keep crushing those roof sketches. This has been another episode of Hotkey Highlights. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week.